Longshan IATF is located in Dongguan,
Guangdong Province, the manufacturing hub of the world. We specialize in precision manufacturing and operate in an advanced facility covering 8,000 square meters. Our core business lies in providing a comprehensive supply chain that includes CNC machining, injection molding, sheet metal processing, die casting, stamping, and 3D printing, ensuring that customer needs are quickly met and completed with high quality.
We are committed to delivering high quality, high precision customer manufacturing solutions. Our services span the automotive, aerospace, and medical industries, and we are continuously striving to become a leading global service provider.
As a one-stop manufacturing service provider, we have over 100 4-axis CNC machines and 25-axis CNC machines. There are also bending machines, stamping machines,
laser cutting machines, and so on,
allowing us to flexibly handle the production of complex parts.
We have obtained international certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, IATF 16949, and AS 9100D, strictly adhering to these standards to ensure our products are perfect with the precision and perfection of all.
Quality is our constant pursuit. We are equipped with over 30 high-precision testing devices, including 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional coordinate measuring machines CMMS, spectrometers, and microscopes, to guarantee that every product adheres to the highest international quality standards.
Excellence is our best friend. Not just meeting standards, we must always leave some margin for our clients to exceed expectations.
Our multilingual professional team is available to provide real-time support to customers. We serve clients across major industries worldwide, earning widespread trust and cooperation through our exceptional customer service.
Global operations are not just about expanding markets. They present global elevation of service standards. No matter where our customers are, our professional team is always ready to ensure that every step, from the first communication to final delivery, is handled with precision and excellence. It is this strict attention to detail and efficiency that has made us a trusted long-term partner for customers worldwide.
With a professional team and advanced technology, we will continue to lead the future of manufacturing, providing tailored, high-quality manufacturing services to clients around the world. Longshan Technology, your precision manufacturing solution expert.